Hey everyone, good to see you. It's Matt with Matt's Models and More. This is a channel dedicated to model making on the automotive side with plenty tips, tricks, reviews, and all that good stuff. Today we got a good review. Let's get through this intro and jump right in. Looking for the best aftermarket parts and accessories for your model? Look no further than MCV Products. Bring your models to life at mcvproducts.com. Okay, today's show is a little different. Not doing any tips, tricks, and all that good stuff. I want to talk about something that is super important to our hobby, and it's growing. I know the thumbnail has got you kind of wondering what it may be, but it is huge for our hobby. It's huge to see, and it's a huge leap forward. If anybody knows Tim Kalinkowitz, he is an amazing builder, award-winning builder, actually. Saw him at ACME for the first time, and he was in the top 12 with his Dart. And if you haven't seen that Dart, I'll put a link in the description for you to watch the video of that vehicle because it's just mind-blowing. And not only is he an amazing builder, he is an amazing storyteller, and he's got an amazing YouTube channel as well. But on top of all that, he just came out with this. And this is his doing along with some other people I'm sure that's joined in and helped him. But Scale Model Enthusiast Magazine is, I can't describe how important this is to our hobby because a lot of magazines have died over the years. And it's nice to see the hobby getting bigger and bigger that we can start doing this. And Tim has put a lot of work into this, I'm sure, and you can tell just by the quality of the magazine. I don't want to go over, I want you to see it for yourself, but just, I mean, the pages are thick, the colors are amazing, the story. I've already read this thing front to back twice, some of the stories twice. So what I wanted to talk about was that the hobby, a lot of people think that the hobby is dying. It's really not. It's actually gotten bigger and bigger and bigger. We can think that, of course, we've talked about this before about 3D printing, a lot of the technology that's changing, that's giving us builders and artists a whole new platform to express what we want to see and what we want to build. So this has just taken it up a notch because we needed this badly. I'm a subscriber to 4 magazines already, and this is just up the game because this is a quarterly magazine. So I will tell you that. We're going to get that 4 times a year. And what's good about that is it keeps you waiting, keeps you suspense. You want it, you get excited every time you know you're getting it. And then the quality that's being put into it. So those are all huge. But I got to thank Tim, and I wanted to give him a huge shout out on this video because of that. We need that more and more and more. So I urge you, remember, it's Scale Model Enthusiast. I urge you to go get a copy and subscribe if you can. And go follow him on his channel because you're going to love his stories. He's got great stories. He goes back into history. He just, it's cool how he puts things together, and I look up to him for that. I almost feel a little bad, Tim, if you happen to be watching. I had a video, and I'll post it right here, of the ACME show, and it was the first time I got to meet Craig from KREGS Corner. At the end of the show, or at the end of the video as well, I'm showing the top 12. I didn't even see Tim beside Craig. So when I was filming, I gave Craig a pound, congratulating him. Tim was right beside him, and I didn't even see it because the way I was filming, and you know, there's people behind me, and we're all moving in one unit, and I completely missed him to give him his big fist pump because his award was well worth it for that build as well. So definitely check that out and check his channel out. But back to his magazine. Not only does he do, of course, builders. He'll have spotlights on builders, but he'll also have tips and tricks, and he's got a little enthusiast corner where he talks about, you know, where the hobby's going and what it's doing. You can mail in some things, either email or direct mail. I mean, he does kit reviews, and here's what I really love about his kit reviews. So at the end of each review, he's got this little, make sure you can see it, and I'll probably impose a picture on here so you can see it better. He's got a scorecard, and it basically goes over the kit, and this is what I absolutely love. Let me get my glasses on. I'm trying to do it with one hand here. Hey everyone, while Matt's trying to figure out some crazy antic to come up with next, let's take a few seconds and talk about the fine website that just came about. It's called midnighthobbies.com. Jump on there if you want some excellent deals on kits. Some of these kits behind me, actually a lot of them, were purchased from midnighthobbies.com. A lot of y'all may know Jamie Bowen. He goes to most of your shows on the East Coast, on the Southeast side anyway. He does go up sometimes Tennessee, Virginia, and those areas. But he has just come up with a website that's phenomenal. Easy to navigate through. Amazing products. You can get pre-owned kits, some rare kits, lots of NASCAR kits, lots of new kits, semi-trucks. He's got a little bit of everything. So I encourage you to jump on his website right now, midnighthobbies.com. Let's see what he has. Use this code below and save some money. There we go. So he'll talk about quality. Quality, 9 out of 10. Ease, 7 out of 10. Accuracy of the vehicle, of course, 7 out of 10. Value, which is huge. You know, is it worth purchasing or not? Significance and coolness. I love that, the coolness factor. But then he'll do an enthusiast score of a 43 out of 60, and then he'll give a little description there on, you know, why they gave that score. And he does that for all his model reviews in here, and it's not just cars. I would say it's 80% cars, but he also does motorcycles, Gundams. I think they had some planes. No, was there a plane in there? No. There was no plane, but he does, it's not just cars. It's building, the art of building, period, but I'd say 80% cars. So just something I would say definitely look into. It's definitely warranted. It's an amazing magazine. Congratulations, Tim, on putting that together. I had no idea you were even doing that. I remember seeing you at ACME, and you took a picture of my gray 64 Belvedere, and I appreciated that. But I had no idea that was for your magazine. I thought it was a website thing or something like that. So congratulations, big guy. That's awesome. I want to do a video to make sure you got all the respect and props that you deserve, and try to get everybody I can to get that magazine. I'll put information in the description on how to get that magazine, where to get it, and where to write to if you want to send pictures to his magazine for possible you know, print. So definitely look into that, guys. This is a short one, but this was something that was important. I don't think you understand how important it was that we have a new model magazine. Definitely needed. Go get it right now. Love each and every one of you. If you need to contact me for any reason, I've got my email address in the description as well. You can contact me. I do send out decals. And please, again, like, subscribe, and share. Let's get this hobby out to everybody. Let's keep it growing as much as possible. And until the next time, keep on rolling.